Are you an exporter and you are shipping products internationally? Why your website is not ranking globally? Let me show you first, and after that I will show you how to use AI tools in your website. Like, for example, if you are shipping some products to different countries, what are the restrictions are there? Is it a legal product? And what are the documentation we should carry? Each and every information. So let me show you the first thing. For example, this is one of the website which we developed for one of our clients. And this interface we will change as per the customer requirement. We are basically a software development company, and we have our corporate office in Cochin Info Park, Kerala. And let me show you what is that. See, this is the home page, and let me copy this URL and paste in this site, the speed test. Let me show you. After uploading all these videos, photos, everything, the website size only 202 kilobytes, very small size. Why? Because this project is made in React platform. You know what is React? Even it is huge load, it will give very small size. That's a capability of a React coding system. This coding system is developed by Facebook. Let me go to the next stage and see why I mentioned this. If your website loading size is very small, then only it will rank in globally. That is a fundamental requirement from Google. Even if you make a paid advertisement, everything, whatever it is, it will not rank globally unless it is in small size. So this interface, you can see that the background videos, everything is playing. And this website is completely customizable as per your requirement. And just to go down, and we will go to the CRM and quotation creation, everything. Yes, let me go down. See. So this is the, in the front itself, you will find the WhatsApp integration and the call button. WhatsApp integration, we can connect your Meta account to this website. Means the customers, when you are sending message or receive message, it will receive to you directly, not to a third party. That's the things. And let me go to the admin panel. There are so many features are there. The one I mostly like, let me show you that. In the compliance, I really love this. So you can create quotation, you can create complaints, everything. So country rules, for example, I click on country rules. It is completely AI generated. Enter a country, for example, Japan. Generate the country, what are the rules and regulations, everything you will get. Allowed goods, see, and restricted goods. All information you will get here, see. Prohibited, completely prohibited. So all key informations you will get from here. It's very good information. And documents guideline. For example, if you are going to ship a product, for example, rice, for example, basmati rice, whatever it is completely AI, right? UAE, generate with AI. See, normally export, how many days it will take? 5 to 7 days. Commercial invoice, packing list. These are the data we should attach. Here, health certificate, insurance certificate, UAE customs clearance form. See, all this information has strict regulations regarding the food and safety. Look at that. So all this information you will get through this AI platform. So let me show you another country, Japan. Look at that. For the Japan, what are the packing list we should attach? Every information you will get. Look at that. So each and every item. For example, if you are shipping some other products like, nutmeg. So, nutmeg, you know nutmeg? This is, some products. So what are the things are required? Country regulations. Again, I come back to country regulations. Restricted goods. Restricted goods. For example, nutmeg. HSN code. I don't know what is the HSN code. Country to Germany. Country to Germany. Not a trade product. Tradable products. It's to the Germany. And we can put a battery. Lithium battery. Battery. Lithium battery we can sell, but it is a low risk, and lithium battery, yes, we can sell it. Allowed it. So this is the things. So you will get complete information in the site. Let me go one by one to the dashboard and go to the orders. So let me create a quotation for a specific customer. How to make that? For that, you will find create an order. Go to that, and for example, I am creating to Sumesh. Okay, it's already added. It was there, the details, and you can select sea cargo, air cargo, whatever it is, and his destination country, everything you can mention over here to where you are shipping. And if you go down the product details, for example, I am selecting a notebook. Okay, quantity 100 pieces. Okay. Unit price already here because I ordered through inventory. And additional charges, for example, packing charges, for example, $50, freight charges, insurance, other charges, everything you can add here. Freight charges, for example, $25 I added. Okay. And this is the total things. And let me go down. You can assign to your staff for the follow-up. You see, the priority is medium, low, or assign to whom. You can add some multiple staff over there because it's completely CRM based website. Let me create the shipment. So it's asking HSN code. I just put something. And let me create order is successfully created, and you can go down. See, there are so many documents you can print out. One is that generate invoice. Let me see, this is the invoice we generated. Easy, very easy. And see the invoice interface, look and feel, completely is customizable as per your requirement. That we can do that. Look at that. And you can print out, save and print, everything you can do it. And if you want to make the packing list to print out, you can click on that. Click the packing list. This is the packing list. All format you can customizable. And return back, and you can print print receipt, packing list, everything. Yes, this is print receipt. And let me print out the packing list. Return. Shipping label. Yes, this is what I was searching. Where it is shipping label. See, when you pack it, you can put this shipping label. This is also completely customizable. Now, currently, we make it in 4 by 6 inch, 100 mm into 150 mm. And this is the way you can manage all your details and all the orders you will find. Pending, paid, you can change anytime the status. For example, this is paid shipment, unpaid, partial payment came. All status you can customize. That's the main thing. And we check all the complaints. Inventory, go to the inventory. Let me add some new products. How to add some new products, let me show you. Add a product over here, add a product. For example, if you want to add some product, computer mouse, you are shipping. Okay, SKU, you can category, you don't want to mention pieces. Price, for example, $30 per HSN code also you can mention, create a products. Very simple. Stock movement, how many, see, stock, stock movement you will get, stock management you will get. Here it is. Here you can add or remove stock. Computer mouse, how many stock you want to add, just click on adjust. And you can put, for example, 500 pieces, adjust. So 500 pieces I added, okay? And go to the dashboard and create an order again for this product, okay? create an order. It's very simple. Select any customer like that. And select your product, the one we added right now, that is computer mouse. Okay. How many pieces you are going to ship? 10 pieces. Any packing charges or something, if you want to, you can add it. And just complete the order. Okay, you can create the invoice directly here. See? Generate invoice. It's very simple. Easy. Okay. And there is a multi-currency option is there. And, settings, in the settings, you can change all the, company informations. You can change your logo. I put some logo here. It's not a logo. I just put some logos. A logo, yes. And the users, yes, it's very important. Users and user roles. For example, you can manage, for example, manager, staff, what are the features you can enable or disable. Inventory, they want to make it. Okay. What are the things and save settings. So if you want to create new users, add a new user here directly with the password so that they can log in with the user credentials. So these are all the features in the backend, and unlimited features customization available along with this website. So make your website highly professional exporting website. This is very important. Again, I am telling the size, the loading is very important, because when we are searching this one, once again, let me search it. Let me start the search. It is searching. Hold on. Just 1 minute. I will show you on live, because it is taking the data. In how many seconds the website is loading? What is the total weight of the website? Everything. See, 202 KB, and it's taken load time milliseconds, not even 1 second. It's very amazing, because such a big website is taking milliseconds for loading. And when I'm refreshing this, okay, it's exactly, look at that. It's exactly in milliseconds. And that much light it is. And welcome to Raintech Software Limited. If you want to make such a platform for your business, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.